Hello kids, how are you today? In today's session, we are going to continue the lesson that is remaining. First part we have discussed and we are going to continue with our second part. So the lesson was lesson number 2 of standard 3rd. And what was the name of our lesson? It was beautiful bond, mean the bonding between the animals as well as the human being. Over here in the first part that we have discussed was the animals were having very good bonding between them, and but the boy, he doesn't like the animals. Then what he decided? He decided to hit the animal so that the animals can move away from there. Then what the animals decided? Animals also decided to do the same thing. Animals ने भी क्या सोचा? If he is hating us, so we should also hate him. हमें भी सामने उसके साथ क्या करना चाहिए? Hateness ही दिखाना चाहिए. So they all started discussing to how to treat him a lesson, teach him a lesson. उसको कैसे ट्रीट करें हम कि अच्छा सा लेसन उसको टीच कर सकें. सो व्हाट द काउ सेड दैट वी शुड अटैक हिम. हमको सबको मिलके उसके ऊपर क्या करना चाहिए? अटैक करना चाहिए. Then what the sheep said no no no, hatred will bring the hatredness. Hatred जो है वो क्या लेके आएगा? Hatredness ही लेके आएगा. So we should not hate him. हमको उसको hateness नहीं करना चाहिए. We should show our love to him. हमको उसको अपना क्या दिखाना चाहिए? Love दिखाना चाहिए. Then the calf moved from there, and what the calf said? Calf also said the same thing that sheep is saying right. Sheep भी right कर रही है. She is also saying the right thing. We should go and teach him a lesson, but the lesson of love, not the lesson of the hatredness. उसको love का lesson सिखाना चाहिए, hatredness का lesson सिखाने का जरूरत नहीं है. That was the session that we have discussed earlier. Now moving on the story further. Now when the calf said that we should teach him a lesson of love, so all the animals come together and said that Tom was sleeping in the farm only. Tom was sleeping in the farm under a tree. एक tree के नीचे Tom क्या कर रहा था? Relax कर रहा था. I'll show you. See, this is the picture. See, all the animals are standing over there, and here is the Tom. Now, when all the animals came over here, at that time Tom stood up. When all the animals decided, जब सारे animals ने सिर्फ decide करा था to go to Tom, at that time Tom was relaxing. So all the animals decided to go to Tom and talk to him. So what all the animals did? All the animals gathered together, एक साथ इकट्ठा हुए, and then moved to Tom. और Tom के पास गए. They moved near the Tom and asked him how to wake him up. उससे बात करने के लिए उसको उठाया कैसे जाए? So cow mooed very loudly. M-O-O-D, mood. Mood means a sound that cow used to make. A sound that cow used to make. जो sound cow निकालती है, that sound is known as the mood. Says the lion used to make the sound that is called roaring. Dog barks. Goat bleats. Sheep baba. That are the sounds that animals used to make. Over here, cow mooed very loudly. Cow ने mood का sound बहुत जोर से निकाला. That Tom who was sleeping, he immediately stood up. वो जैसे लेटा हुआ था, he was sleeping like that. He immediately stood up. वो अचानक से उठ के खड़ा हो गया, and he stood over there. When he stood over there, then again cow moved. Cow वापस उसने sound निकाला, and cow told Tom that we all are friends. What cow said? Cow said हम सब इकट्ठा gather हुए हैं आपको बताने के लिए that all of are your friend. हम सब जो यहाँ पे साथ में हैं, हम सब क्या हैं? आपके friend हैं. So what happened? Tom started laughing. What Tom did? Tom started laughing. Why he started laughing? Because he have never seen animals living together. उसने तो कभी animals को साथ में रहते हुए देखा ही नहीं था. So that's why he was saying, why he's saying like that we are good friends. We cannot be good friends because animals and human being, how they can be friends? वो कैसे friend हो सकते हैं? So Tom started laughing loudly. Tom ने क्या करा? बहुत जोर जोर से हंसना start कर दिया. Then again, what the animal said? कि no, we are your good friends. Why we are your good friends? That we used to give you so many things. Then again Tom started laughing. Tom said, you animals? How come animals be my friend? आप सब लोग कैसे मेरे friend हो सकते हो? Then you don't do anything for me, do you? Tom, when the animals said, जब animals ने बोला हम तो आपके लिए कितना सब वर्क करते हैं, आपको कितना सब सामान देते हैं, then he laughed and said, you animals, what you have done for me, आप क्या कर सकते हैं मेरे लिए, what you can do for me, आप क्या करते हैं मेरे लिए और आपने क्या किया है मेरे लिए. Then what the animal said, we do lot of things for you, हम आपके लिए बहुत सारा वर्क करते हैं. And said the cow, we give you many things. What the cow said, कि I used to give you so many things, मैं तो आपको बहुत सारी चीजें देती हूँ. Then what Tom said, no, I don't believe you, मुझे आपके ऊपर विश्वास नहीं होता है, it is not possible. But was that truth, क्या ये सच था? No. Truth is animals used to give us lots of things, बहुत सारा हेल्प भी करते हैं हमको, बहुत सारी चीज भी देते हैं. नाउ टेक्नोलॉजी इज डेवलपिंग, अब राइट नाउ ऐसा है, टेक्नोलॉजी इज डेवलपिंग मोर एंड मोर एंड मोर, टेक्नोलॉजी नया नया डेवलप हो रहा है. तो सो मेनी इक्विपमेंट्स हैव बीन मेड, काफी अलग अलग चीजें हो गई जिससे इन द फार्म वो फार्मर यूज टू यूज सो मेनी ऑफ इक्विपमेंट्स थ्रू हिज ट्रैक्टर. ट्रैक्टर में काफी सारे इक्विपमेंट्स लगा के वो क्या करते हैं, खेतों में सीड सो कर देते हैं. दे यूज टू वो क्लीन देयर फार्म्स, सारा वर्क किससे हो जाता है, मशीनरी से हो जाता है. व्हाई? बिकॉज टेक्नोलॉजी इज डेवलपिंग. बट अर्लियर टाइम इन few of the places right now also, the bulls, oxes, they have been used for plugging the field. खेत में खुदाई करने के लिए किसका यूज होता है, ऑक्सेस का यूज होता है, so that they can plug the field properly. उनको उनके पीछे वुडन का लगा देते हैं स्टॉपर, एंड देन इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ स्टिक, और वो कैसे होता है, नीचे से इन द शेप ऑफ लाइक दिस, ऐसा होता है. तो यहाँ पे किस में जाता है, इट यूज टू मूव इन द फार्म फॉर प्लगिंग द फील्ड. फील्ड को क्या करने के लिए, प्लगिंग करने के लिए. एंड इन द अर्लियर टाइम when no machinery was there, at that time to taking out water also from the well, at that time also people used to use the oxes. And as the time goes on and development is there, so people have started putting motor inside the well and water is coming. Sure, moving on to our lesson again. So what the cow said, I was just giving you an example that technology is getting developed, so the use of animal is also getting lesser, but their importance is the same. टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप हो रहा है तो एनिमल्स का यूज कम होता जा रहा है, बट एनिमल्स आर स्टिल वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द काउ सेड, व्हाट काउ सेड, काउ सेड आई गिव यू मिल्क. व्हाट काउ यूज्ड टू गिव अस, लेट्स रीड ओवर हियर, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो. काउ सेड it gives us milk, ghee, butter, cheese every day. What cow said, I give you, it gives us milk, ghee, butter and cheese every day. What cow said, I used to give you milk, cheese, ghee, butter every day. Don't you think that they are the lovely present? क्या आपको नहीं लगता ये बहुत अच्छा present है that I am giving to you? Don't you think that? Then the turn came of the dog. So what dog said? Dog said that I guard you. What the dog said? I guard you from the other animals and I guard your sheep as well as the chickens. Sheep और जो hen के small बच्चे होते हैं मैं उनको क्या करता हूँ, guard करता हूँ, so that other animals should not attack them. दूसरे animals क्या ना करें, उनको attack ना कर दे. They won't feel any harm. Then the turn come of the cat. किसका टर्न आया, नाउ दे ऑल द एनिमल्स आर टेलिंग दैट व्हाट दे डू फॉर अस, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग फॉर टॉम. क्या एनिमल्स क्या बता रहे थे टॉम को कि दैट हम लोग आपके लिए क्या करते हैं. काउ सेड, डॉग सेड, नाउ द टर्न कम ऑफ कैट. व्हाट कैट सेड, आई यूज्ड टू कैच द रैट, मैं रैट को पकड़ती हूँ. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट यूज्ड टू स्टील योर फूड. स्टील मतलब चोरी करना, वो जो आपका खाना चुरा के ले जाता है, मैं उसमें क्या करती हूँ, उसको पकड़ लेती हूँ, सो दैट इट कैन नॉट स्टील योर फूड, वो आपका खाना ना चुरा सके. आपको पता है ना, रैट घर में घुस जाता है तो कहीं पे भी छोटी छोटी जगहों को क्या करता है, इट बिट इट विद इट्स टीथ, अपने टीथ से उसको बिट कर देता है. सो दैट वाज द टर्न ऑफ कैट. देन द टर्न केम ऑफ द ब्राउन hen. Now the turn came of the brown hen, and what the brown hen said, brown hen said that I used to lay eggs for you. What brown hen used to say, that I lay eggs for you every day and then makes you strong, and that makes you strong. मैं आपको egg देती हूँ and because of egg, if you eat a egg daily, then you will be very strong. Who was saying like this? The hen was saying like this to the Tom. the hen was talking to Tom कि मैं आपको एक डेली एग देती हूँ और उस एग की वजह से अगर आप उस एग को डेली ईट करते हैं then you will remain very strong, आपका बॉडी बहुत ज्यादा कैसा हो जाएगा, स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा, and you will remain healthy, आप कैसे हो जाएंगे, बहुत ज्यादा healthy. Then, but it's not that the friendly egg, then why do you hurt us now? All these things when they told, जब उन्होंने ये सारी चीजें बताई उसको, किसको, टॉम को, then Tom felt कि if they are all saying all these things to me, this is truth, so I should not hurt them. Then sheep was also there. What sheep said? I used to give my wool for your warm clothes. मैं अपनी बॉडी पे से जो मेरा वूल होता है वो मैं आपको दे देती हूँ, just because of that you can get your warm clothes. आप जो गर्म कपड़े पहनते हैं वो उसी से ही बनते हैं. So when all the animals said all these things कि if we are helping you this much, अगर हम आपको इतना help कर रहे हैं, we are giving you so many things from ourselves, so why to hurt us? हमको नुकसान क्यों पहुंचा रहे हैं आप? You should not hurt us. आपको हमें नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाना चाहिए. Now finally after listening all these things from all the animals, जब इतनी सारी बातें टॉम ने एनिमल से सुनी, that cow ने क्या क्या दिया, sheep gives lots of things, then hen, then dog, as well as the cat. So all these 5 animals told everything that we used to give you lots of things. Still in return, if you are hurting us, then why you are doing all these things? We all should be friends together. हम सबको साथ में friends होना चाहिए. Then what Tom said? Tom felt very ashamed. Ashamed मतलब शर्म आना. If our mistake is there and we are not realizing, अगर हमारा गलती और हमको realize नहीं हो रहा है, and after some time we realize, और थोड़ी देर के बाद जब हमको पता चलता है yes it was our mistake, तो हमको कैसा फील होता है, हमको शर्म आती है कि no we should not do that. वो right बोल रहे थे, हमें उनका बात मानना चाहिए था. Same was the situation with Tom. Tom was also feeling very sad. अब उसको बहुत सैड भी फील हो रहा था, एंड ही वाज फीलिंग वेरी ashamed also, उसको बहुत शर्म भी आ रही थी. So what he said, I am really very sorry for behaving so badly. उसने क्या बोला, I am really very sorry, मैं बहुत ज्यादा सॉरी हूँ, because I behaved very badly with you, because मैंने आपके साथ बहुत badly behave करा. I should not do that, मुझे ऐसा करना नहीं चाहिए था. I am sorry for that. Who said? Tom said sorry, and now Tom was right. अब टॉम जो था वो क्या बोल रहा था, he was telling the right thing right now. Now then the dog said we are not showing gratitude, means हम ये नहीं दिखा रहे कि हम बहुत बड़े हैं. We are not saying like this, you know, we are the perfect one. हम gratitude नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, that we are saying that everything is, but we are just telling you the truth. हम लोग आपको क्या बता रहे हैं, we are just telling you the truth. We want only a little food and shelter all of our friends. वो क्या बोल रहे हैं, we want a little food, हमको बहुत ज्यादा खाना भी नहीं चाहिए. We want a little food and a little bit of and a shelter. Shelter means house of human being also as well as the animals. But over here dog ने क्या बोला, हम कुछ भी नहीं चाहते आपसे, हम क्या चाहते हैं, हमको थोड़ा सा फूड चाहिए एंड शेल्टर चाहिए, प्लेस जहाँ पे हम रह सके, एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो बी अ गुड फ्रेंड्स, और हम सब साथ में रह के बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड्स भी हो सकते हैं. देन व्हाट टॉम सेड, Tom said, please forgive me for my folly. My friends, I will be friendly and never chase and throw stones on you. When then what Tom said, no, it was my mistake. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me for my folly. Mistakes means जो मैंने ये सारी silly mistakes करी हैं, that was not good. Kindly forgive me. I have thrown stones on you. I have hit you with the sticks. I have frightened you. I should not do all these things. That was my mistake. Now I realized, अब मुझको एहसास हो रहा है इस चीज का, that whatever I was doing, that was totally wrong. मैं जो भी ये सब कुछ कर रहा था ये सब गलत था. I should not do that. मुझे ऐसा करना नहीं चाहिए था. So kindly forgive me. We all will be friends forever. अब हम आगे से हमेशा friends रहेंगे, and I am also going to live happily with you. Now the second part of our lesson gets over here. So let's recall the half part of the story, then we are going to recall whole part of the story, so you can revise it again. So what was in the half session, that all the animals gathered together and moved near where the Tom was sleeping. जहाँ पे Tom लेटा हुआ था वहाँ पे सारे animals साथ में गए, and what he said, what the cow moved loudly and Tom stood up. Then all these animals told him that we are your friends, we give you lots of things, so you should not fight with us. और आपको हमारे साथ अच्छे से रहना चाहिए. Then what Tom said? Tom said, no, it's not truth. Then all the animals told the things individually. एक एक करके सारे animals ने उनको बताया कि हम उसको animals हमको क्या देते हैं to Tom. Then finally Tom realized that it was his mistake and said sorry to them. उसने realize करा that it was my mistake. Now I am not going to do it further. अब मैं आगे ऐसा कुछ नहीं करूंगा and I am really sorry for it. That was the half part of the story. Now the moral of the story is beautiful bond. What is the moral that we get is the beautiful bond only. That means that we should have a very nice relation with the animals as well as the human being. एनिमल्स और ह्यूमन बीइंग सबके साथ हमको एक इक्वली बहुत ही अच्छा हैप्पी बॉन्डिंग रखना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट फाइट विथ ईच अदर. एंड द एनिमल्स दैट कुड नॉट स्पीक, एनिमल्स जो बोल नहीं सकते, अपना फीलिंग्स एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते, वी शुड ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड देम. हमको उनको भी समझना चाहिए दैट वी शुड नॉट हिट देम. उनको हमको मारना नहीं चाहिए. नाउ what we are going to learn, we are going to learn few important things that animals used to give us. थोड़ा सा important चीज हम learn करते हैं that animals used to give us and that is very important in our life, जो हमारी life में बहुत ज्यादा important है. Let's get started. Now this is important thing, that's why ma'am have written important over here. First of all, cow, COW, cow. What cow gives us? IT, it. GIVES, gives. US, us. MILK, milk. This is comma. GHEE, ghee, comma. BUTTER, butter. AND, and. CHEEC, cheese. EVERY, every. DAY, day. Then full stop. You know all these things that whenever we begin our sentence, then first letter should be capital, and wherever it's finishing, we should have a full stop over there. Then only our sentence get completed. Then what the cow said? Cow said that it gives us milk, ghee, butter, and cheese every day. What cow used to give? It used to give us milk. That drinking milk makes our body very strong. अगर हम मिल्क ड्रिंक करते हैं तो उससे हमारा बॉडी कैसा होता है? स्ट्रॉन्ग. सेम एज फ्रॉम द मिल्क, घी यूज्ड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड, बटर यूज्ड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड, चीज यूज्ड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड. ये सारी चीजें किसमें से आती हैं? फ्रॉम द मिल्क ओनली. सो मिल्क इज वेरी एसेंशियल, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है हमारे लिए. Then SHEEP, sheep. What sheep gives us? Let's read. IT, it. GIVES, gives. US, us. WOOL, wool. FOR, for. WARM, warm. CLOTHES, clothes. Full stop. Sheep gives us wool for warm clothes. What does sheep gives us? Wool. उसकी body में जो white color का वो I'll show you in the picture, so you will be knowing very nicely. See, here is the sheep. The white portion from the sheep's body, it's been taken out to make warm clothes. Sheep की body में जो ऊपर white stuff होता है, that we used to take out, that's a wool, and from that wool we used to make our warm clothes, garam kapde that we used to wear in the winter season. Next the turn comes of dog. What does dog gives us? IT, it. GAURDS, guards. ORR, HOUSE, house. AND, and. KEEPS, keeps. FOXES, foxes. AWAY, away. FROM, from. SHEEPS, sheeps. AND, and. CHICKNES, chickens. What is it? It guards our house and keeps foxes away from sheep and chickens. हम वो क्या करता है? हमारे हाउस को तो डॉग गार्ड करता है. बट व्हाट डॉग वाज डूइंग फॉर टॉम्स फार्म? टॉम के अंकल का जो फार्म था वो वहां पे क्या करता था? इट यूज्ड टू गार्ड एंड इट यूज्ड टू कीप द फॉक्सेस अवे. वो फॉक्स को वहां से दूर रखता था सो दैट इट कुड नॉट हर्ट द शीप्स एंड द चिकन्स. hen के स्मॉल बेबी को भी हर्ट ना कर सके एज वेल एज द शीप्स को भी कोई नुकसान ना पहुंचा सके. Now the turn comes of cat. What cat used to do? IT, it. CATCHES, catches. ALL, all. THE, the. RATS, rats. THAT, that. STEAL, steals. food, food. What cat used to do? Cat used to catch the rat. कैट क्या करती है? वो उन रैट्स को पकड़ लेती है. दैट रैट यूज टू स्टील द फूड. जो रैट चूहे जो फूड सारा चुरा के लेते हैं खाने के लिए, कैट क्या करती है? उनको पकड़ती है. Now the turn comes of hen. Hen used to do hen. It lays lays eggs for us. What hen used to do? Hen lays eggs and its meat is also be eaten by the people who used to eat them. Egg and meat of hen it's been also used for eating. So these are the animals that are important that used to give us lots of things and that is being useful in our lives. Many more animals are also there, say as the camel, tiger, leopard, crocodile. Crocodile's body is also being used for making leather, same as for the camel also. Goat is also being used. So many animals are there that their bodies is being used for the making different kind of materials. But these are the things that are the important that animals are giving us for our survival. Because if we are going to drink milk, then how we'll be remaining? We'll be remain strong. And from milk, what are the other things that have been prepared? From milk, we used to get ghee, then butter and cheese. Every day we used to get. But from where we are getting? We are getting all these things from milk only. From milk, ghee is been obtained, butter is been obtained, as well as the cheese have been obtained from there. Then sheep, what sheep used to give? It gives us wool, and from wool our warm clothes have been made. And when we used to wear the warm clothes? During the winter season. Then what dog used to do? Dog used to guard our house. And what dog was doing? Dog was doing for his uncle's farm. He was guarding the farm from foxes as well as the other animals that can harm sheep and chickens. Chickens, the small young one of hen. Cat used to catch the rats. And what rat used to do? Rat used to steal the food. खाना चोरी करते थे वो. Then hen used to lay the eggs. And what the all the animals say to Tom in the end? जब story हमारा end हुआ, फिर Tom से क्या बोला सारे animals ने? We just want a little food from you, a little shelter from you, and a लव. क्या चीज चाहिए था उनको? फूड खाने के लिए, शेल्टर रहने के लिए. एंड ऑल द एनिमल्स वांट लव फ्रॉम टॉम एज वेल एज फ्रॉम ऑल द अदर पीपल. एनिमल्स को क्या चाहिए होता है? लव, फूड एंड द शेल्टर. थोड़ा सा उनको प्यार का जरूरत होता है. एंड शेल्टर वेयर दे यूज्ड टू लिव. सो whenever we see any animal on the road, we should not throw stones on it. कभी भी बाहर हमको कोई भी animal दिखता है and it is moving on the road, so we should not throw stones on it. And very importantly, as I told you, that cow, if cow comes nearby your house, always keep one chapati for the cow. हमेशा क्या करना चाहिए? एक चपाती स्पेयर रखना चाहिए to give to cow. It is a good thing to give that we are caring for the animals. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? एनिमल का केयर कर रहे हैं. So that they should also feel safe. उनको भी कैसा फील हो? They should also feel safe. Nowadays animals have been taken out and put it in the zoo. अब आजकल क्या होता है? एनिमल्स को लेके आते हैं जंगल से, उनको कहाँ रख देते हैं? जू में. They are living over there, but they are not happy also over there. वो रहते तो हैं, but they are not happy. They also need freedom. हमको एक जगह कहीं बंद करके रख दे, so we'll feel happy? No. Why? We also need freedom. हमें भी मम्मा क्या करे, एक रूम में बंद कर दे, बोल दे आज खेलने नहीं जाना, तो हम enjoy करेंगे? No. Same for the animals also. अगर पूरे दिन उनको एक जगह बंद करके रखेंगे, so they will also not like that. Why? Because they also need to go out. उनको भी बाहर जाना अच्छा लगता है. So here our story gets end. Again, the name of the lesson was Beautiful Bond. And what that it means? It means that we should have a good bonding with each other. Not only just with animals as well as with the human being also. सिर्फ animals के साथ नहीं, human being के साथ भी हमारा bonding बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. Now what we are going to do? Let's just have a look of MCQs from our textbook. Orally, I am giving you the answers also, and I am going to read the questions for you. So let's get started. It's lesson number 2 of your Hello English book, and the page number is 1515. So let's get started. Number 1. Tom was a little dash boy. How was Tom? Tom was a little dash boy. Where he used to live? A. Country. B. Town. Or C. Village. Where he used to live? He used to live in a town. So B is the right answer. TOWN. Town. Moving on to number 2. Tom had never seen so many birds and dash together. What Tom have not seen? उसने क्या नहीं देखा था? Birds and A. Animals. B. Plants. C. Hens. What he had not seen? He had not seen animals. So A option is the correct answer, and the spelling is ANIMALS. Animals. Now, third number, what a dash boy. All the animals were saying, what kind of boy was Tom? They said to one another. A. Naughty. B. Troublesome. Or C. Proud. What the animals were saying, that what kind of troublesome boy. Why? Because Tom was hitting all the animals, because Tom उन सबको परेशान करता था. That's why what all the animals were saying, that what a troublesome boy. Then moving on to number 4, the biggest cow dashed to wake Tom. जो सबसे big cow थी, उसने क्या करा था? As I told you, how cow used to speak, it used to moose. So it moved very loudly. A. Hit. B. Licked. Or C. Moved. So C is the right answer. Moved. Now, over here, our lesson gets over. What you have to do, you have to go through the lesson, read it properly. You have to open your book and read line by line, word by word. Then only you are going to understand whole of the lesson. Thank you.